Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering a prioritized subset of gear and labeling each item with a unique ID. This reduces confusion later. Once done, open your chosen tool, spreadsheet or inventory app, and create the predefined fields: name, type, location, condition, date. You should then record the first 10 items to test your template. Make sure to photograph each item as you log it. Photos speed future searches and help with condition claims. Start now and don't linger on perfection. You proceed item by item, following a consistent naming convention like brand model ID so entries remain searchable. As you log, capture detailed specs: serial number, included accessories, and last calibration or maintenance dates. This reduces ambiguity later. Use discrete location tags such as room, case number, and rack position so you can physically find an item quickly. Once several entries are complete, run a quick sort and filter to confirm everything queries correctly. You finish by validating and backing up the full index. Export a CSV backup and store a copy offsite or in cloud storage. Then perform an audit by physically sample checking about 10% of entries to confirm accuracy and condition reports. If you encounter mismatches or duplicates, stop, rescan the label, and reconcile the mis-ID before proceeding. Unresolved conflicts multiply errors. Finally, schedule a simple maintenance routine and teach one teammate the process so the index stays reliable over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.